college, major in English, BS Ed, and I studied at Quebrar. The objective of this video is first, is the students should learn and differentiate the type of the method of the teaching and develop the learning. So what is grammar? For review, it is and based on the Google, so the definition of grammar is it is the study of a new way of words, or it is the structure of a language. Now we're going to talk about the method of teaching grammars. The sentence diagramming or diagramming sentence, it helps the student to understand how a sentence works, or it helps us to modify the parts of the sentence. Like for example, the parts of the sentence, if it is an adverb, adjective, and the second is learning through writing. So what does it mean when we say learning through writing? There are the two types of the students that they are capable or they are fluent in speaking English, and there are some students that use their mind to write some critical thinking. So the learning through writing it is a unique opportunity to develop our critical thinking by using some sentences. Third one is the inductive teaching. This kind of method is used by some teachers. When we say inductive teaching, it is the teacher use before he or she going to teach a lesson, she use some examples or illustrates something. The fourth one is the deductive teaching method or kind of teaching. So the deductive is the opposite of the inductive. So the deductive teaching, it is the teacher first is explaining this kind of grammar or this kind of lesson, and then she or he going to give some assignments or set works if the student know or acquire or develop the lesson that he gave or she gave. The fifth one is the interactive teaching. Some of the teachers use this kind of teaching method for her or his class should not be boring. Like for example, the teacher use some word puzzle or fun online quizzes from itself interactive. So the number 6 is the functional notional approach. It is when the teacher use some real world situation. Like for example, when you're going to a market, you're usually asked for the price. It is a real world situation. Number 7, it is a citational context. It is used when we're going to gather some information by using the internet or the Google. We need to cite who is the author of that text for us to not plagiarize something. So the number 8, using text, stories, songs, and rhythms. So some teachers use this kind of teaching method for us as a student or some student to easily understand and identify the lesson she or he gave. Like for example, in science, there is a song about the periodical table, like the helium. So in grammar and for the number 8, song, rhythm, text that grammar or the teacher used is the example of it is focus on one question or true or false. So the last method of the teaching grammar is the PPP, which stands for presentation, practice, and production. Some teachers use this kind of method because it is more effectively for the students and to adopt and apply the learning or she or he taught. Presentation, like for example, your PPP or visual aids, and practice, the teacher gives some assessments to practice what they've learned from your lesson, and the production or the stage of their mind or what they acquired in your lesson. So that's all guys. Thank you for listening and I've said earlier that I'm going to give you some simple assessments, and the assessments is you're going to give me what is the 9 types of the method of the teaching. You can comment your answer. So that's it, guys. Bye.